Hi guys, today's pour is going to be hair catcher again, although I'm going to start from the outside and work my way in and see what effect we'll get. So what I'm going to do is just pour a little bit of black down first, although I do have some wet black on here already. So I'd like to thank everybody for your wonderful comments and subscribing and liking. I appreciate that. So I'll start with a little bit of white around the edge first and just work my way in. I've got red, black and white, and we're going to see how that's going to go. So I'm hoping it's going to give a beautiful flower again. If you haven't seen my other videos on this yet, you're more than welcome to please go and have a look. So I'm trying to separate the red from the white because I don't necessarily want it to be pink. I want it to be more red and black. So I'll just let the paint settle a bit. So if you've had a look at my previous videos, you'll see that the paint is a little thinner, but not so thin that you're going to find it's going to crack. Who of you gets paint arms? Every time I seem to do this, I get paint all over my arms. I think this is very pretty. Hopefully it will spread far enough. I think that the effect it's giving on the outside is quite nice as well. probably would have preferred a bit more paint in the center. I think that is very pretty. I don't want to mess with it too much more. What I'm trying to do is close the gap here and spread that out a bit, but I think that's probably going to be as good as it gets. Okay guys, I'll bring you down from the top and show you what it looks like. I really like this effect that it's giving on the outside as well. I think that is really pretty. I like the effects around the edges as well. It almost looks like it's feathering on the outsides. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, thank you, bye.